Welcome to Farrukh Education Academy. Today's topic is chemistry from beginning to advance. The soul of chemistry is dealing with underscore. The right answer is composition and properties of matter. Sodium carbonate is produced by underscore. The right answer is ammonia solvay process. All of the following substances are crystalline except underscore. The right answer is plastic. Covalent network crystals have underscore. The right answer is higher melting point than molecular crystals. Some substances are good conductor of electricity in both the solid and liquid states. These substances are generally underscore. The right answer is metallic substances. What is a mixture of potassium nitrate powdered charcoal and sulfur called? The right answer is gunpowder. Diameter of an atom is in the order of underscore. THRE right answer is 0.2 nanometers. Which of the following is a substance? The right answer is graphite. Electron was discovered by? The right answer is J.J. Thomson. The radioactive isotope of hydrogen is called _. The right answer is tritium. Mass spectrometer is used to determine mass number of isotopes and _. The right answer is relative abundance. Which of the following statements about isotopes is correct? The right answer is isotopes with even atomic number and even mass number are abundant. Which of the following terms is not used for ionic compound? The right answer is molecular formula. Moles of each aluminium and oxygen react with each other to produce aluminium oxide. The amount of product formed is _. The right answer is 0.18 mole. The number of isotopes of elements with even mass number and even atomic number are _. The right answer is 154. Which one of the following has the maximum number of isotopes? The right answer is 10. One mole of CO2 contains? The right answer is both B and C. Molecular mass of water, 18 grams, means _. The right answer is all. Empirical formula of chloroform is _. The right answer is CHCl3. The number of peaks obtained in mass spectrometry shows _. The right answer is number of isotopes.